Tired of your WatchGuard firewall looking like a misplaced desktop accessory in your server rack? This tiny gadget claims to do something incredible for your network setup, but does it really deliver? Let's dive into the Rackmount.IT WatchGuard T6i, a one-use server rack shelf specifically designed for WatchGuard Firebox T20 and T40 models. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't just any generic shelf. Rackmount.IT has clearly put thought into the smart design and customization they're passionate about. The dedicated slots for the firewall are a game changer, ensuring a secure and stable mount that feels incredibly robust. No more worrying about your expensive network gear shifting around. But where this product truly shines is in its cable management. They've pre-installed shielded Cat6 cables and RJ45 couplers, bringing all those essential console ports right to the front. This is a massive convenience, especially in a crowded rack. Accessing and managing your connections becomes so much simpler, and the custom cutouts are a nice touch, ensuring everything fits perfectly. Plus, they've thought about airflow with proper ventilation to prevent overheating, which is crucial for any network device. The installation process is genuinely straightforward. They claim 2 to 5 minutes, and honestly, it's not far off. Everything you need is included: bolts, hex keys, zip ties, even port labels. It makes the whole setup feel professional and hassle-free, which is a huge relief when you're dealing with network infrastructure. This shelf is built for serious environments. Whether you're a small business owner looking to tidy up your network closet, a large corporation needing reliable cloud management, or a government agency demanding secure connectivity, this 1U rack mount shelf kit is a solid choice. It's designed to integrate seamlessly into any standard 19-inch network rack. Overall, the Rackmount.IT WatchGuard T6i is an impressive solution. It takes a common user need, securely and neatly mounting a desktop firewall in a rack, and executes it with excellent features and a focus on user convenience. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in the organization and professionalism of your server setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.